looking at the provenance of seed potatoes, and from that trying to understand how many stems each of those seed tubers might produce, and from the number of stems, the number of tubers the crop might produce. Now, if you're trying to produce a processing crop or some varieties of processing crop, you might actually want to reduce the number of tubers you're forming. And in other crops, such as salad potatoes, you'd very probably want to increase the number of tubers you're producing. And what we're looking at here is a series of different varieties and looking at the different age of seed, the different chronological age, and we are putting into practice some research funded by AHDB, which has looked at the effect of chronological age on production of seed potatoes. And so here we have young seed of Marquise and old seed of Marquise, young seed of Maris Peer and old seed of Maris Peer. And we're finding, as we expected, that the older seed is producing more stems, and if it produces more stems, it produces more tubers. And the younger seed produces less stems and less tubers. And the real take-home message for me is that what you want to know is what's going to happen when you plant that seed potato. And the way to do that is to communicate with your seed supplier and find out what the age of that seed is. Know that, and then you can take one more of the variabilities of producing potato crops out of the system. How much better would it be if you knew in our Marquise demonstration that one of the seed stocks was producing 7 stems a plant and the other one was producing just over 4 stems a plant? If you plant those at the same rate and treat them exactly the same, they're going to produce very different crops, and which is going to have an effect on your profitability and return at the end of the day. So go to the seed grower and ask them when that seed emerged or the tuber initiation time of that seed potato crop.